All right, guys. This particular one, not shocking one. The same Fubara where you and I they fight for. Don't come out today where be Easter. Say he wish Tinubu the best in 2027. In fact, Tinubu make all Rivers State people, make everybody join head together to make sure say Tinubu win in 2027. Ah, God damn it. My people, I can tell you, I say, politicians, they know what fighting for. These people, whatever they are doing, is not for you and I, it's for themselves. But meanwhile, make we read together. More read this one together. Make we take them together. As you can see right there from Daily Post, although many other articles carry this one, but I just decided to, take this Daily Post. Say, support Tinubu, peace shall overcome war. Fubara to River State people. Make we take them together, what he tell them. As you can see for here, Fubara there and they say, according to suspended River State Governor Sim Fubara has urged the people of the state to support President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's Renew Hope agenda. Fubara made the call in his Easter message, which he personally signed. He said Easter was a sacred season for reconciliation and unity. The suspended governor noted that the Easter season is a period that peace will overcome war. He said, unquote, it is a time to reaffirm our shared belief that peace shall overcome war and that even shattered dreams can find new life in the light of the resurrection. Therefore, I call on God. Therefore, I call on the good people of River State to continue to support and align with the renewed hope agenda of the dear President, His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, while looking forward to better tomorrow. This one shocked me. Then let's go to God. Fubara call comes about 24 hours after Minister of Federal Capital Territory, Yeso Wike, said he actually wanted him outrightly removed as a governor. My people, when I see the level of desperation, Fubara want to come back by all means. Remember I said the video where we played for about 24 hours ago, where we can talk and say, I wanted Fubara to be removed in totality, not even suspension. Fubara don't look left, look right now, say, I need to turn my back on the people and go back Tinubu, back Wike, may therefore restore me. If they are actually there for you and I, why are they so desperate to be in that power? Why can't Fubara say, after all, I don't want to return anymore? Is there anything wrong with that? Is anything wrong with our politicians resigning? My people, this one shocked me. At 7 p.m. today, now we'll go talk about this thing holistically. Like our video, share our videos. Join us 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that affected you and I. This is baffling and very, very shocking. Take care, guys, and bye for now.